Hi everybody and welcome to a new video. In my previous video, we installed the MySQL server and MySQL workbench. In this video, we will first create a database and then add tables where we can store data. With this data, we will delve step by step into SQL and data analysis. I downloaded a dataset from the website kaggle.com. This dataset is called Coffee Shop Sales, Inventory, Staff. I am a coffee enthusiast, so I thought it would be fun to explore this dataset with you. I will put a link in the description so you can download the dataset yourself and add it to MySQL. Let's quickly start MySQL and get to work. We start by opening MySQL Workbench. During the installation, I configured everything so that the server starts automatically when I boot up my computer. Click on the gray area under MySQL Connections, and the Workbench screen will open. You might need to enter your password. I have mine saved, so I do not see this step. We are now going to create an empty database. In the top left corner, click on the Create a New Schema in the Connected Server icon. You will now see the schema editor, where you can name your database. I have chosen the name Coffee Lover. There is no need to adjust the character set and collation options. Click Apply and in the new window, click Apply again. You have now created an empty database. There are several ways to create tables in a database and populate them with data. Since I already have CSV files containing data, I will use the built-in wizard. This is a very easy way to populate our database. Now, let's import the data into our database. Follow these steps. Select the table in Coffee Lover, hover over the table you want to work with. Right-click to open a menu. Choose Table Data Import Wizard from the menu. In the wizard, browse to the CSV files you want to upload to your database. I select the first file named Inventory and click Open. A screen appears indicating that we are going to add a new table named Inventory to our database Coffee Lover. Click Next. The next screen shows information about the file we are going to upload. In this case, there are 3 columns, 2 columns with the text type and 1 column with the integer type. Although this can be adjusted, I will leave it as it is. Click Next. In the next step, we confirm the settings by clicking Next. The data will now be written to our database. Click Finish to complete the process. The final step is to update the tables. Do this by hovering over the table, right-clicking, and selecting Refresh All. We now see that the inventory table is in our database. Our dataset consists of multiple tables, and we will add all of them in the same way. In the background, I will show you one more example, step by step. I will also load the remaining tables, but I won't bore you with those details. I'll quickly show you that the 8 tables from the coffee shop example dataset are now in our database. In the next video, we will write our first query and explore the data. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment if you have any questions or suggestions. See you next time.